Alright, good morning one and all. Welcome to the video. In this video, I would be showing you about Semantics UI with Flask. Right now, there is a lot of stuff in web technologies, of course, but this is what I have been using when I was doing coding. My supervisor suggested me, hey, Samuel, you know what? Have a look at semantics.ui. So I want to tell you because the thing is, I want to keep you updated with the most upcoming trending technologies, the best state of the art, right? So this is what the Semantics UI looks like. Let me actually pull up their website. Give me one sec, guys. All right, let's come. So what is even Semantics UI? You might be asking, right? So this is what the Semantics UI look like. This is their official website. Let me just walk you through that. So Semantics UI user interface is a language of the web. So this is what my supervisor suggested me, and I want to share all the upcoming trending technologies with you guys. So design beautiful website quickly. Semantic UI is a development framework which helps you to create beautiful responsive layout using human-friendly interface, right? So now basically if you see it does all the styling automatically. You can just add a class, like in Bootstrap we say btn primary. Here you have to add a class UI active button, UI button. So this gives you all of that responsive stuff like that. Let me actually show you how to use it. So by the way, the CDN that was there on this website, what I mean by that is if I go to here, getting started. So this did not work out for me for some reason. Then I had to Stack Overflow. I'm just gonna show you. So if you have these error, so if you just put this in your HTML, it won't work for at least for me. So what I had to do is I went to Stack Overflow, and this is the script that you gotta put basically. I'm gonna leave the links, okay? So don't worry about that. All right, guys. So what I did is basically I just put the links here. Now, guys, I'm gonna show you the documentation of Semantics UI. So if you see, let's see button, you wanna see add a button, right? See how amazingly they have nice buttons, like you see follow. If you wanna get the code, you just click here and you get the snippets of the code, how to use it. So here you can see button, UI button. So in Bootstrap, we say BTN primary. So Semantics starts with UI, right? So here you can see all that nice CSS. It adds all of that automatically. You see this hover effect, everything. So beautiful, guys. Look at this. And so let's try to use it even. So I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to use. So just paste it. Now go to your Flask app, refresh that, and you see all this. See, it all added all of these automatically, all this hover effect and this cool stuff. So it's pretty nice. I would say Semantics UI is pretty good. So you should definitely take a look at the Semantics UI, I would say. There are a lot of other stuffs, headers. You can have a look at the headers section. These are all the headers. If you look at the loaders, I mean, there is so many stuff there. Just feel free to explore it. They have the code. Click here. It's going to give you the code. You have placeholders. If you want to put placeholders, you can do that as well. Here you can see simulating a loading. If you want to simulate a loading effect. I mean, see, this is so beautiful, guys. It's just amazing. I swear, I loved it. So I wanted to share with you guys. So let's try to use this loading effect. Maybe this one. Okay, I'm gonna clear all of that. Oops, I think I did not copy the right stuff. So copy. Check out this, guys. So whenever you're loading a website, it's gonna give you nice loading effect instead of that old loading button. You see, guys, so many good things are available on semantics.ui. You can go with the grid geometry, so all I would say is just explore the documentation a little bit. I swear, guys, you will love it. So this is about Semantics UI. I wanted to share with you. If you know something better than this, or if I don't know anything, please feel free to share your knowledge in the comment, and even I can look at it, and the community can look at it. That's the way we become better and teach everyone. So if you know anything interesting, please put it in the comments so